Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to repair fisheyes in a cosmetic surface. For those who don't know, fisheyes are produced when a coating pulls away from the underlying surface, creating holes or craters. This phenomenon could be caused by surface contamination, the low surface tension of the resin, or the application of an extremely thin coat of resin. So now, let's get started. First, we sand down the surface with a 240 grit paper. You can do it manually or using an electric sander. We will try to remove the resin layer without touching the painting coat. That's why you need to be really careful. Then, with a 400 grit paper, we will sand down each single one of the fisheyes. Take your time, this is a slow process. Once you have done this, use a microfiber clean cloth and wipe the whole surface. Now, before applying the resin, make sure the surface is level. Then, use a high-temperature adhesive flash tape to create some sort of barrier to prevent the resin from spilling over. You can also use a polycarbonate sheet or any other non-porous material. Measure the area of the part to calculate the amount of resin we need. The consumption of this resin is approximately 1 kilo square meter per each millimeter of thickness. And the result will tell us how much resin we will need in terms of volume. Then we mix the two components of Castro clear cast resin using a mixing ratio of 100:50. Stir everything thoroughly and transfer it to another container before casting it into the painting. You can use a silicone spatula to ensure that the resin will reach every single corner. And finally, use a welding torch to remove the air bubbles before letting it dry. And that's it. It's really easy, right? If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to give it a like, subscribe and activate the notification button. I will see you in the next video.